So my battery finally quit on this. I got 2 years out of it, which I think is pretty good for these small motorcycle batteries. And I don't have any sort of tender set up where this is parked. I think a battery tender would definitely give me a little more life. And if they go dead and sit, if they sit dead for any amount of time, they're just cooked. Done. These BMWs got these torque spits mixed in with regular Allen heads. Gotta have a lot of tools. Perfect. No, I didn't see a group message.
No, I'm going right now if you want to hop in.
Oh my goodness, yeah. Are we all going? I'll meet you up there.
Okay.
So, tools I'm using. Number 3 Phillips. Put these back on. This one's a T27 for these two bolts that hold down the battery. These are 3mm Allen head on the back. These are T25s for the front of the, what is this, gas tank cover? Not really, gas tank's in the back under the seat. What do they call this? Battery cover? And there's 2 more sneaky little T25s down here underneath the ignition. Just put the seat back on. See if she wants to start. Maybe it's time for test ride. Woo! Oh man, I do love this bike.